What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to a brand new video. Me and Haley got a bunch of things planned for today. It's been a while since I gave you guys a full day in the life, I guess. Me and Haley are gonna go wine. We just hit the gym, so I'm not gonna show you guys that. We're gonna go wine tasting, and then we're gonna go get some Chick-fil-A. It's our cheat meal today. And Haley, whenever she's down for Chick-fil-A, I'm like, bet, because Haley never really eats Chick-fil-A. Right now, she's eating her steak and potatoes. Cool. So that's what we're gonna go do. We're gonna go wine tasting, which will be pretty dope here in Miami, and then we're gonna go to Chick-fil-A. We're gonna go get a cheat meal. This is the fit. I had some other shit on, and Haley said, "Nah, it's too much for wine tasting." I'm like, whatever. But yeah, I hope everything's good. We just ended the week profitable. If you guys just saw my last couple of videos, which I haven't been doing so well in terms of views, but you guys should be running it up because the value in those videos is crazy. I'm literally saying shit straight up and showing you guys my trades, my exits, my targets, how I'm entering. So just make sure you guys go watch those videos. We're at 1,040 subscribers, almost at 1.1. So again, thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. But I'm gonna see you guys on the road. I have been addicted to the Switch since I got it. Again, if you guys see my last videos, I think like 4 videos ago, I got a Switch. This is all I've been playing. But let's talk about the week that just came up, right? We had a losing trade where you guys saw and 2 winning trades. And that happens, right? We went 2-1, and because of risk to reward, we stayed profitable, which is why I always tell you guys, right? Risk to reward, stay on your risk management plan. Make sure you guys are risking the right amount. Make sure you guys are, not taking trades that don't make sense. I only take trades that are at least 2 to 1. I don't take anything else. Some traders are different. That's just the way I operate, right? Because if you think about it, you can have a break-even record, and on the week, let's say you win 3 trades and lost 3, you'll still be profitable, right? Because that's what risk management is, right? That's everything trading. That's all trading is. Well, like 80% of it is risk management, is staying alive in the markets, capital preservation, and that's how we ended up profitable. Although we were 2-1, so pretty banger week. But so again, go and watch those videos. I'm telling you guys exactly how I took those entries based off what setup, how I entered, what I entered on, the time frames, everything. So make sure you guys go watch that. It's been a great week, and January has been pretty dope. So let's see what February brings. The December and the early January is over, and I'm really happy about today's February 1st. So I'm just hyped to get back into some trending markets. You guys should be too. So. How you feeling, Haley? You look a little low energy.
Yeah, that ride made me a little sleepy.
Haley's always fucking sleeping. Always tired. Yeah, so we made it to the spot. There's no parking, so we got a long walk. It's nice out though. It's been cold here in Florida. Well, cold for Florida standards. And today it's like beautiful.
This is out of the car. Did you see that?
Go ahead. Back up. So me and Haley are wine tasting, and we have a bunch to choose from. Literally, so much to choose from. Literally, this entire sheet we get to change. We get to try. I drank wine for the first time, like the past year, right? I feel like I've really been liking wine. No, it's been 2 years now, because we used to go to wineries back in Jersey.
Yeah.
I like everything, mostly red, to be honest. Haley likes just the juice, sweet stuff. So we'll see what we come up with, because, yeah, I don't know. Variety tasting sounds like something we should do because it's mixed up.
That's what I was thinking. At least then we'll both like it, I hope. I would be willing to do the variety.
Yeah. Alright, let's read it all.
This one sounds good.
This is the Blanc de Blanc. Alright, let's try it out. So tough crowd so far. We're giving everything like 6 and 7s right now. Alright, let's Chardonnay coming up. Oh, it's cracking you. Oh, it does have a buttery aftertaste. Oh, that's great. Yo, bro, we're feeling amazing right now. We're almost done the wine tasting. We got 2 more left. Yep. So, kind of crazy. I'm excited. I'm feeling good. We're taking pictures. We're wine tasting. It's crazy. I know. So Chick-fil-A store now.
I want everything.
Oh, brother. Yo, we outside. Me and Haley are back outside. Now it's nighttime. Beautiful spot. They got music. We got a lot of families here. Now me and Haley are really looking for somewhere to eat because we're starving.
We're so hungry.
And we're a little drunk. Yeah, literally wine tasting is lit.
We
and it was
so much wine.
And it was cheap. Like that was crazy.
Yeah, I can believe we only spent like what? It was like 20 something.
Yeah, it was 30 in total, really. But yo, that's wild.
For all of that though.
Yeah.
That was insane.
I know. We tasted a bunch of wines, and Haley actually ended up liking the red wines more than the white. And I love red. She loves white. And yeah.
Well, I like sweet.
The red was
right. I like sweet.
The red was definitely better.
I like anything sweet. If it's red and sweet, I like it. If it's white and sweet, I like it.
But now we're gonna go and find something to eat. We don't know what. Probably Chick-fil-A because I still want Chick-fil-A really bad.
I want nuggets.
Yeah, so we're gonna go find a Chick-fil-A. And yeah, see you guys soon. So we made it to Chick-fil-A. Me and Haley are feeling really good. We just went wine tasting, so obviously it could, ended up being a lot of wine, which is crazy. It was such a good price for how much we drank, and yeah, it's just crazy. So now we're at Chick-fil-A. We're gonna eat. Haley's leaving for Costa Rica tomorrow, and tomorrow's Sunday, so you guys know what that means. We're getting ready for the new week. We're getting ready for the new trading week. We're gonna do pre-market analysis, go over NASDAQ, go over everything, all the markets, DXY, the NASDAQ, the S&P is usually what I like to do for my pre-market analysis, just so you guys know. Alex, I always get that question. What do you look at? I look at the NASDAQ, obviously, because that's what I trade. But, you also want to look at the S&P, right? Because you have SMTs, you have divergences in the market, and I can help you with your analysis with the NASDAQ. And I also look at I look at the DXY, not daily, but I do look at. I just take a peek at the DXY daily, actually. But I don't put a lot of whatever I get from the DXY. I don't put a lot of weight on it when it comes to my actual pre-market analysis and what I'm looking for in the setup. So, so that's Sunday for tomorrow. Haley's leaving. I'm getting ready for the new week, and yeah. So I'll show you guys when we get our food.
I got Chick-fil-A and I got fried rice.
Haley she got fried rice from somewhere else, and we got Chick-fil-A. Thank you, bro. And she's... Oh, yeah. My boy. She just got me hella Chick-fil-A sauce. I'm going to use this on my chicken and rice later.
I'm going to take my chicken fried rice.
Yo, good morning, YouTube. It's a brand new day. Yo, last night was so fun. We went out to eat. You guys saw all of that. And yeah, we knocked out when we got home. We were just just feeling good. We were feeling good. It was a Saturday. We stayed in terms of we didn't go out for nightlife or anything like that, But yeah, so we're gonna go out to the pool and we're gonna go do a weekly market outlook for the week coming ahead. Today's the 2nd, so from February 3rd to February 5th is what February 3rd. Yeah, February 3rd to February 8th or 7th. Whatever. So market outlook, that's what you're going to be seeing right now, coming up right now. So let's see where the market's going. So pre-weekly analysis, right? These, to be honest, don't take long, but I always do them because it's really important to just notate what happened on Friday, what transpired over the past week, right? And this week is actually looking pretty cool in terms of what we got. You guys know throughout my last couple videos, I was targeting this weekly gap right here. Price comes down, Took a couple days, but we finally bounced out this new open weekly gap right here. Okay, so you can see Friday's candle, right? And there's a lot of price reading when it comes to doing a weekly analysis, right? When you see the last daily candle, you have to take consideration multiple things, right? The momentum of the candle, high momentum bearish. 2, the close of a candle, it failed to close above the previous day's high, and it rejected and rebalanced out this new weekly opening gap. So if we're being completely honest, I can tell you right now that I think that we're heading to the lows. We're probably going to be heading to these lows that I see down here, because there's no momentum towards the upside, right? On top of that, you guys have to remember about fundamentally fundamentally what's happening, right? You guys are seeing that Donald Trump is imposing tariffs on neighboring countries, right? And they're posing their own. So if you go look at the crypto markets, you look at the markets in general, they've been bearish, right? So we could see some volatility coming up with all these news coming out. I'm not for certain that it's going to be, the market will be dropping, but as of right now, I have a lot of bearish indicators to go towards my analysis, right? Especially based on this daily candle that I am looking at right now. Now, obviously, going down to the lower time frames, it gets a little bit more technically, right? There's not much we can do right now, being that it's market close on a Sunday. But go down to the 1 hour time frame, right? Let's go down to the 1 hour time frame. What I like here is that no structure has been broken, right? Like, if you want to change in market structure, if you want to change in delivery, right? If you want to change in, again, structure, right? You're gonna need to see, that's what I see right here. I don't know why I was on the 1 minute time frame. This right here is the new low before the up series of closed candles, right? Pushes up, price creates the higher low, and price pushes up. Price then closes under this cyst level. So this is actually very interesting. This is actually just backing up my bearish bias. Having this closure under these structure lows, right? I do believe that potentially we could see price start to sell off, right? Targets that I would be targeting, I apologize, are these lows that you see over here, right? Lows over here, and then eventually, hopefully, we get to these lows down here. And I say hopefully because market volatility is good for us. So if we can reach these lows and be right on our analysis and take profits, then we could be good. So price over here is leaving a bunch of fair value gaps for us to balance out also on top of that, guys. So we need to be mindful, we need to be careful, we need to see what's going on, and obviously ultimately it's going to come down to when the market actually opens. Now for the Monday outlook, real quick, a weekly outlook in terms of news, we are starting off Monday with 10 a.m. news, which is beautiful. No news on Tuesday. We have news on Wednesday. USD news at 10 a.m. News on Thursday, 8:30, and no news, and news on Friday. So this week is looking very promising. Actually, it's NFP week now that I think about it, and I'm looking at it. So be mindful that it is NFP week, right? So be careful, trust your guts. Make sure you have your confluences. Don't rush anything. Be patient, risk manage, and everything should run smoothly, right? Just follow the plan. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog and this weekly breakdown. Deuces.